Yo, it's your boy Peanut, aka Dash Resource, man. The capitalist. Be a capitalist, not a victim. This is gonna be the pick for the day. I'm gonna do 3 different stocks, and I'm gonna choose one out of the 3. I do this every single day. So if you guys are into that type of content, please hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my picks. I do them every single day. You can listen. You can trust me, man. I'm always here, all right? I'm more consistent than your father, cuz. Trust me, man. Listen. But seriously, though, if you guys need help, get my 5-Step Beginner's Edition. It's on both sides of me. It's on Amazon for free because I ain't trying to take your head off. I just want to give you some bread, man. Be a capitalist, not a victim. This is my pick for the day. Thank you for tuning in for What Stock Should I Buy Today. Be a capitalist, not a victim is lit for y'all, man.
That's legendary. That's legendary. That's legendary.